Hello guys, ito yung simbahan. Ano to? Pangalan ng simbahan na to? Ha?
Walang pa.
Hindi namin alam yung simbahan eh. Teka lang, ikat ko nga to kasi. Hello guys, ito yung simbahan dito sa Jordan Web Day, ano? Ayan, ng mga Pilipina. Ayan o. Diba? Kita nyo o. Kita nyo friends ko. Diba? Punta natin siya doon. Hala ka lang ha, punta natin siya. Wait. Kita nyo guys, no? Ayan. Ganda, di ba? Ito yung labas. Ayan. Ayan. Ano, pasok na tayo guys. Matatapos to ano eh, alauna, no? Tapos punta na tayo sa ano? O kakain tayo? O kain muna, no? Mga kababayan. Mga kababayan. Kasi Christmas, kaya kailangan magsimba. Diba? Ayan. Guys, yan sila mga kababayan. Ayan yan sila, dami halos lahat. Diba? Mamaya ko continue natin.
A blessed Christmas to you all. Today, we thank God for His greatest gift to us, the gift of His beloved Son, Jesus. His only begotten Son is our Emmanuel, God's presence among us. In Him, God makes His dwelling among us so that nothing we experience will be foreign to Him. Our joys and pains, our hopes and fears, our strengths and weaknesses. With this comforting thought, we celebrate the Eucharist, praying especially for children and our family. May our Christmas celebration be a time of happy togetherness. My brothers and sisters, our Mass Presiding Reverend Father Gerald Metal, please all rise.
Pwede pong pamove ng kwan, isa lang po pwede singit pa natin. That's one here. Baka pwede po isa dyan. One and one here. This is out.
one of us young and old alike, we celebrate Christmas. And all of us would have this particular globe in front of us. We picture this. We just overgrown Jesus because he's too big. And all the rest are small. Maybe there's a magnifying lens right here so they make it bigger. So the child Jesus. So you can, since we are COVID free now, you can approach the child Jesus. So when you kiss the child Jesus, you think of your kissing the physical Jesus. This is the Lord and King. Take note, sisters and brothers, every time there is Mass, it is also Christmas. Don't you know that? Every Mass is Christmas. Why? Because Jesus is born to us through communion. Every time we receive Holy Communion, that's why we go to Mass. Mass is very important when we celebrate. We can celebrate with Christmas parties, we can celebrate with friends, you know, we can celebrate with joy with each other. But take note, it is very important also to go to Mass. Why? Because we thank the Lord, first of all, and the Mass is Thanksgiving. We thank the Lord for this wonderful gift of salvation. Without the birth of Jesus, salvation is not possible. And Jesus assumed our humanity. He is just like any one of us. He was born just like any one of us. No, he chose to be born. He could be like the superheroes and appear just in the world and save the world from all its maladies. But instead, Jesus decided, and the Father decided, the Holy Trinity decided that the Savior will be born among us, to be born and living among us, talking among us, and as a child. And as a child, why? Why? Because each stage of our humanity should be saved from incarnation to death. It will be saved. So every time Jesus grows up, he saves that age, that part of the age. And it also gives us it gives importance also to childhood. You know, when we grow up, the children are not given much importance. But for us Christians, for us Catholics, infancy from the womb, the infancy from the womb down to the child being born, and the childhood being a child itself. It's important for all of us. So we will take care of children, we'll take care of infants, and we find wisdom even in that small stage of Jesus. Sisters and brothers, Jesus is born in a cold weather like this. It's very cold, right? The experience. I noticed that the women are beautiful these days because they are covered. They are so elegant looking, even men. Elegant looking with your coat, no, with your boots, and you're walking very elegantly as if you're rich.